All right, welcome back to Western New York Living. Now, I'm sure most students and even parents are looking forward to that spring Easter break that's coming up in a few weeks. But this morning, still a little class work to do, and it centers around the next school year, 2026-27 school year. And here with all the notes and answers to the test, Tom Coppola, the principal at Canisius High School, and senior student Evan Mitskovski. Thank you both for being here.
Thank you for having us.
Good to have you here for the first time, Evan. Tom, good to have you back on the show.
Absolutely.
It's that time for students and parents to start thinking about next school year. And for those not familiar with Canisius High School, why don't you tell us a little about the #1 Catholic school in the area as voted by niche.com.
Thanks, Kev. Yeah, we're all boys, Jesuit Catholic High School here right in the city on Delaware Avenue. We serve grades 9 through 12. Been around for 155 years, and guys like Evan are our best testament.
All right, and there is an open house coming up in April that folks can attend. Who's invited to attend?
That's right. If you're a prospective family, you have a student that is a 6th, 7th, or 8th grader, it would be terrific to see you on April 26th in the morning, Sunday, April 26th at our open house.
All right, and there's also a summer program that students can take advantage if they're in 7th and 8th grade, the Higher Achievement Program, the HAP program, right?
Absolutely. And so the Higher Achievement Program is a tradition at Jesuit high schools across the country that dates back to the 1950s. It's the best parts of school. There's some classes, there's intramural athletics, great activities, an opportunity for guys to come together for 4 weeks at the high school and see what we're all about. I think it's the best way to get to know us. Evan would be a good example of that because he definitely went to HAP.
All right, yeah, tell us about that experience. I think it says here in my notes you went in 7th grade?
Yes, I did. I went 7th grade summer going into 8th grade. It was a fantastic experience. It is the perfect mix between, learning in the summertime, educating yourself, but also being able to immerse yourself in the Canisius's program, playing sports, meeting new friends, meeting current students who are the counselors, and also being able to meet your future teachers.
Did you have any hesitation about going to summer school? It's not really summer school, is it?
Yeah, it really isn't. My mom said, "Hey, you're going to HAP. You have no choice." And I was like, "Oh, well, you're going to be learning for, a couple weeks." And I was like, well, I went into it, and it was a great time. I met a lot of new friends, and also made the ride going from middle school to high school, especially attending Canisius High School, 100 times better and easier as well.
And what's your experience been like at Canisius over these 4 years?
It's hard to sum up in this short amount of time, but it's been fantastic. It has been the best 4 years of my life, and it truly has prepared me for the future. I hope so, at least, and it will.
What sort of activities, or maybe something you got involved with at the school, you're surprised you got involved with, or liked, perhaps?
Well, our athletics are fantastic. I picked up golf, played all 4 years. I was a captain on the varsity team this year. Flight Club is a fantastic program at our school that you wouldn't find at a normal high school. We have 3 simulators, and kids are able to come and experience the realm of aviation, and that's something I take deep pride in as well.
All right, and what are your plans moving forward?
So hopefully the Naval Academy. That has been a dream of mine, as well as being in service in the U.S. military, but if not, then pursuing civil engineering or mechanical engineering elsewhere. Long list of schools.
All right, let me just say the Naval Academy, be lucky to have this young man there. So send that on your application.
Thank you, sir.
And we'll look forward to your future service to our country.
Thank you, sir.
Great. And there's a lot of students who've come through the school, right, that have gone on to the service academies, Tom?
There sure have. Every year it seems we are fortunate to be inviting folks from the service academies in to do commissionings.
All right, and by the way, you're a graduate, right, of Canisius?
Yeah. 2001.
2001. It said 2021, but they
know.
But some folks may wonder, all right, how am I going to pay for this? There are options to help folks out, right?
Absolutely. We work very hard to make Canisius affordable to every qualified student in Western New York. That's been a commitment from our Board of Trustees, our president, and all the way through. And so if you're interested, please visit us at canisiushigh.org so that you can learn more about us and get that started.
All right, Tom, thanks for being here. Evan, good luck to you.
Thank you, sir.
You've got a bright future ahead, young man. At Canisius High School, education is focused on putting all their graduates in position to achieve excellence in their professional and personal lives. Everyone's invited to attend an open house Sunday, April 26th. To register and to find out more, go to canisiushigh.org/open house. You also see the direct website for their summer programs there. You can always give them a call, 882-0466, to speak to their helpful staff.